Watch.
Now watch how fast this guy shoots down the dock. All right. Okay, so what we do with Allie, since she doesn't have a really good sit state, is we put the toy in, we send her back to the back of the dock, and she sprints down to get it. So here comes Allie. Let's everybody cheer for her. All right. 16 feet 6 inches. And a big splash. All right, this is Lily. 14 feet 2 inches. 14.2. All right, Kathy's going to throw the toy. Maximus loves to go up for it. Let's everybody cheer for Maximus. All right, nice one, Kat. 19 feet 4 inches. 19.4. Here we go. This is Kathy and Nash. Get it. Oh, great catch. I'm not sure about the throw, but that was a great catch by Nash. Nice job. 19 feet 8 inches. 19.8. Thank you guys for coming over and watching the dogs.